cashing out those crypto coins, converting Bitcoin on Cash App. Ever hear that friend who got into Bitcoin early, raved about it constantly, and now they're cruising the Bahamas on their crypto yacht? Yeah, we've all got one. But what if you dabbled in a bit of Bitcoin yourself and now you're wondering, how do I actually turn this into, spendable cash? Well, fret no more, crypto comrade, because today we're diving into the world of Cash App and how to convert that Bitcoin back into good old-fashioned USD. Cash App and Bitcoin, a brief history. Cash App became a bit of a game changer when they introduced the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin in 2018. It was a super easy way for folks who were new to the crypto world to dip their toes in. But here's the thing, Cash App doesn't actually let you transfer your Bitcoin out to a different digital wallet. It's more like buying and selling small bits of internet gold through their platform. This might sound like a bummer, but there's a silver lining. Cash App does allow you to sell your Bitcoin and convert it into regular dollars that you can then withdraw to your bank account or use for everyday purchases. So, while you can't exactly become a full-fledged Bitcoin billionaire and jet set around the globe, yet, you can definitely turn your crypto into cash you can use. Alright, let's get selling. Now, grab your phone and get ready to follow along. We'll be using the Cash App for this, so make sure you have the latest version downloaded. Open the app and tap the Cash tab on your home screen. This will show you your current account balance. Next, look for the Bitcoin tile. It might be hidden beneath some other options, so you might need to scroll down a bit. Once you find it, tap that bad boy. This will take you to your Bitcoin holding screen. Here, you'll see your current Bitcoin balance and the current market value. Now comes the moment of truth, selling your Bitcoin. Tap the Sell button. This will bring up a screen where you can choose how much Bitcoin you want to convert. You can either select a preset amount or tap the to enter a custom amount. Cash App fees, a heads up. Before you hit confirm, there's one crucial thing to remember, Cash App fees. They charge a 1.4% fee for every Bitcoin sell transaction. So, keep that in mind when you're deciding how much to convert. Double check and confirm. Once you've entered the amount you want to sell, double check everything to make sure it's accurate. Then, verify your identity using your PIN or Touch ID. Finally, tap the big, beautiful Confirm button. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've successfully converted your Bitcoin into cold, hard cash, well, technically, digital cash in your Cash App balance. The money you received from selling your Bitcoin should now be reflected in your Cash App balance. From here, you can withdraw it to your bank account or use it to pay for stuff. The possibilities are endless, well, almost endless. Remember rent and groceries? Bonus tip, market fluctuations. The price of Bitcoin can be pretty volatile, meaning it can fluctuate wildly sometimes. If you're looking to get the most out of your Bitcoin, you might want to wait for a time when the market price is high before selling. There are plenty of resources online and even within the Cash App itself that can help you track Bitcoin's price movements. Remember, crypto can be risky. Just a friendly reminder, investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. The value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can go up and down quickly, so it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.